Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in today's video we're going to try solving this question. We have 4 raised to the power of 3 plus log 2 base 4. So first of all, in order to solve this question, we're going to try solving the logarithm part, that is log 2 base 4. So how do we solve this? Yeah, you actually got it right. We're going to use the law of logarithm that says when you have log x base b, it can be written as log x all over log b. So when we apply that on our log 2 base 4, we have log 2 all over log 4. Now, what is the next step we're going to take? Remember, as you can see, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So we're going to write our 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. So this is going to give us log 2 all over log 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, also remember the law of logarithm that says when you have log m raised to the power of k, it can be written as k multiplied by log m. So we're going to write our log 2 raised to the power of 2. So this is going to give us that our log 2 base 4 is equals to log 2 all over 2 log 2. Now this log is going to cancel this log and we'll be left with 1 over 2. So we have our log 2 base 4 is equals to 1 all over 2. Now this is actually the time to substitute our log 2 base 4 back into our question as 1 all over 2. So we have our question 4 raised to the power of 3 plus log 2 base 4. So actually this question can actually be written using the laws of indices. So we can write our question as 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of log 2 base 4. So when we finally substitute our log 2 base 4 as 1 all over 2, we'll be left with 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Now 4 itself, as we said before, can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So when we do that, we'll be left with 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Now, when we multiply on the left hand side, we will have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Now, using the laws of indices, 2 will be multiplied by 1 all over 2. So, this 2 is going to cancel this 2. Now, when you go on the other side, you have 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3. So, using the same law, 2 is going to be multiplied by 3 and we're left with 6. So finally we have 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1. So this is going to give us that our final answer is equals to 2 raised to the power of 7. I hope this is not confusing because I actually use the laws of indices that says when you have n raised to the power of a multiplied by n raised to the power of b is equals to n raised to the power of a plus b. So that is actually the law I applied here. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.